So I'm out in the polytunnel and this little job's been waiting a week or so, and I'm going to repot this citrus plant which I grew from pips. So how do I know it needs repotted? Well, the leaves are looking okay apart from this one. You can see there's a wee touch of yellow, which means it's getting a wee bit hungry. Now, it suffered a bit with heat in the summer because we had 42 degrees, but I'm leaving this on as a reminder. So I've got a new pot that is a wee bit bigger than the pot it's in. I've got some sand, I've got some grit, and I've got some ericaceous compost. Now you can buy citrus compost, but I like to save money, so I'm just using ericaceous. So that's compost with no lime. And I'm basically going to just mix these together because I want the food in it, but I want a bit of drainage as well. And then I'll pop that in a pot in this pot. So I've got a few stones in the bottom for drainage, and I'll continue this video in a second. Here we are again, and I've got a little bit of the mixture in the bottom of the pot. And how do I know what depth I want it to? Well, I don't want the soil level coming above the mark on the stem of this plant, so I'm just trying it for size. Need to take out a wee bit more. Right, I'm happy with that. By the time I take that out the pot, it will be okay. That's the plant out the pot. Get that out the way. And you can see it's got a really nice root system. And the fact that these are beginning to curl round at the bottom, let me just put that down, I'll show you what I mean. Like that means it is time to pot this on. So just try it for size again. Right, I'm happy with that. And I'll just top the mixture around it. So I've still got the same level of compost, and I'm not pressing it down, I'm just firming it. And I'm quite happy with that, and I'll give it a drink now. Not of tap water because it's got a little bit of lime in it, but of rainwater that has come out the recuperator, and I'll let it drain. And then this guy is going to go in a frost-free, light and airy place. So possibly in my office, and it will go back out once all danger of frost is gone in the spring. So if you want to give it a go, just let your citrus plants dry out a little if you can. Take them out the pot, have a look at the root system, and you may need to pot it on, and they'll like a nice feed as well. So I'm not going to feed this one. It's got new compost in it. It's quite happy. Thanks for watching.